O. It sounds O. Ooh, ew, ew, ew.
That's right. Yeah.
That's right. Good job.
Didn't die. That's not right anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
What letters are next?
Not.
What letters are next?
Sing your song. I love you.
Spell. Spell.
That's right.
Spell.
You spell great.
Okay.
Spell.
It's more letters. Buddy.
S-P-O-O-O.
Don't know what alphabet.
What's this?
That is
D.
a D. That's right.
And it sounds D, mate.
You tell me.
That.
Yay! Good job.
So.
All right.
What's this?
Is a
R.
R. What's
R make?
what sound does it make?
You tell us.
Your name starts with an R.
What sounds does R make?
No.
What?
That's right. Okay, what else?
And what's this letter?
That is a.
What is that?
Hold it up. Let me see it.
I don't like this right.
No, Q.
That's a
That's
Q.
right.
That's right.
And that sounds Q like.
What sound does a Q make?
What songs it make? What songs it make? You tell us, Riker. That's right.
Wow.
Like Queen. Quack.
Quack.
That's right. Good job, Super Reader.
Go.
What other letters we got here?
What's this?
That's,
What's this? E.
okay, what sounds does an E make?
Duh.
That's right. Good job.
And what's this?
That's a.
R.
Look
Nope.
at it again.
Look at it again. That's not R.
What letter's that?
K.
That's right.
Okay.
And that sounds K mate.
Like a
Like
cat.
a cat.
Not like a
That's
cat,
right.
Daddy. Yeah, a cat you spell with a K.
Good job.
Like a kite. You're tired, huh?
Yay!
Yay!
What's that?
Go! What's this? V.
A V. That's right.
It sounds V mate.
You tell us.
V.
V.
That's
Right. Good job, you.
And what's this letter? X.
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 Well, that's the sound it makes.
X or like X-ray. Or sometimes
Well,
I.
you sure are happy to learn.
Hey,
Hey.
want me to get a I? Okay. Oh no, the eye is broken.
No, it's not.
It's just dirty.
It is.
It's dirty. We were playing with it outside. It's got dirt on it. It's okay. I washed it. It just didn't come off. Okay. What? Are you not going to do the sound?
What's
What sounds do I make?
this? F. F.
Did you turn one loose there, buddy? I heard a motorcycle.
Don't embarrass him. Say, excuse me.
Mommy just took your diaper off. That is not good. That could be bad. Are you okay?
Yep.
sounds and ethnic. That's right. Good job, buddy.